Ready to revolutionize your client communication and create your own app with AI? First, head over to Retell Ai's website and sign up. The sign-up process should be straightforward, and you'll need to create an account. Once you've done that, you'll have access to the Retell Ai dashboard, which is where you'll build your app. Within the Retell Ai dashboard, locate and click the button that says Create New App. This action begins the app creation process. You'll be prompted to provide some basic details. Now comes the fun part, designing the user interface. Think about what your app will be used for. Will it primarily be receiving booking requests or answering common questions? Define your app's focus. Create the layout of your app. Consider the flow and what information is needed from your clients. Retell Ai is great at suggesting designs. Use the AI-powered features of Retell Ai to automate tasks. Leverage the AI functionality to create a more engaging user experience. Use their AI tools to assist and accelerate your app's design. The power of Retell Ai truly shines in client communication. Implement automated responses to queries, schedule appointments, and provide instant access to information. This provides an efficient way for your business to connect to its client base. Before you launch your app, test its functionality thoroughly. Retell Ai offers a preview mode where you can see how your app will operate on different devices. Make sure all the components, the UI, UX, are functional to avoid any frustrations. Finally, launch your app and watch how Retell Ai transforms your client interaction. Use these tools to your advantage, benefit your business, and stay current with the latest in AI technology.